Here we are at Hest Bank level crossing in Lancashire with Joe and the level crossing channel. Time now is 19:23 on Saturday the 31st of March 2018. This is for your 1920, you're slightly delayed, 1918, expected 25, 1083, Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport to Carlisle. And I don't know if where's that northern train gone? Oh, that's expected 29 actually, from Morecambe to Leeds. A third attempt here now. Now talking to my viewers. Third attempt here now. Spike got here, caught the first one. And the crossing was down when we got here. Then we parked up, ready to get out and start filming, but the crossing went off on us as I got out of the car. And then it went off for me again as I was waiting for a freight train. I think it's the fourth attempt actually. And then, yeah, it went off for me as I was waiting for it to go off because my iPod timed out. So this is the third attempt. Good thing this crossing's not like 2 an hour or something, otherwise we'll be here all bloody night. All the wig bags are tilted here. Hest Bank level crossing frame. I said that at Bamboo Bridge as well, actually. Bamboo Bridge Station level crossing frame. And also, very sadly, I missed a new livery Penalino as well, which is the first closure I missed. Otherwise, it would be at Bolton Lee Sands by now. Possibly even Silverdale. On the way to it anyway. I wasted an hour at Bear Lane because I took a wrong turn in. I was in good time as well, and I missed the 25. And I had to wait, and then I missed the 46 as well because the crossing went off for me because my dad phoned me. And then I caught the 52. And now we just come here, I've missed 4 trains, and I've just caught this one. And let's see what luck we have at Bolton Lee Sands. Here it is. It's 350. I think it's on the side actually, isn't it? The number 350-045 to 145, so 045 to Carlisle. I think it's up again.